Okay.
And then I did not store like at all. So it's like all morning today we sat here and flipped them, rewired them, and everything else.
Oh wow. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Okay.
And then I did not store like at all. So it's like all morning today we sat here and flipped them, rewired them, and everything else.
Oh wow.
Just metered. I did a 147.9.
Almost 48. Are you trying to get a 50 out of it?
Eventually.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna upgrade the thing to 3K and possibly do an 8K Tarot.
Okay. Yep.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yes, ma'am. Jess, you about ready? So what's your name and what's in here real quick?
My name is...
And you might want to shut the back. Yeah. Oh, it shuts on it? Oh, nice. Okay.
That fancy car.
On my level.
On my level?
I don't know how yours would hit.
Nice.
And now I go from there.
I can't find the motherfucker. Well, of course not. There we go. Just pause it from here because I don't know. Yeah, I am. So my name's Brittany Manson. Oh, I should correct that. My last name is Fadias, so I just got married last Friday.
Congrats.
Thank you. So I've got two Orion HCCA 15s running on a 3K Orion SPLX amp. I've got DS18 mids highs on a 1500.4 for the Orion. That's just the HCCA. Box is tuned to about, it was supposed to be I think 32, but it ended up being a little bit higher.
Okay.
Got Pioneer head unit, running on two alternators. We've got the stock alternator for the truck, and then I've got a 300 for the speakers. And then we've got a 70Ah Yinglong case in a Wolfram for the lithium battery.
Yep.
Steve needs clipping meter. I've got a custom bass tom from Slam Panda Designs.
Awesome.
My truck's name is Black Betty, spelled with an I. And they just surprised me, so I won top 25 here at Slamfest. So that's kind of, I'm still in shock from that.
Yeah,
so.
awesome. Black Betty, all right.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So I wanted to be different. A lot of people run Spars, run Sundowns.
Yep.
Doing an all Orion build.
Yes, ma'am.
Kind of puts a name out there. To be a little bit different, but like I said, 3K just I don't think is going to be enough for the 215s, but once we put maybe an 8K on it,
a little more power, it'll burn for 50. Yes, ma'am.
I mean my voltage, I'm still hanging on at 14.3. So I think my highest, depending, is about 15.3 is the highest that my voltage has been.
Awesome.
But
all right.
This is my build.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
No problem.
Nice to meet you, Black Betty's build. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
You too.
How big is your lift?
I'm on a 7.5-inch lift, like 2-inch spacers in the rear.
Okay.
Just because the sub box and everything weighed it down and it had that squat, and I was like, I can't do it. Let me see, I'll put that back there. Let me see what I can get going on.
All right. Does it do better with the window up or down?
It literally have just, I don't even know.
Okay.
We can give it a shot.
All right, we'll try both. Yeah, sure.
She got some friends with her. I take them out, pouring shots of liquor, drinking out the bottle, smiling in all my pictures. The marijuana laws and the dollars follow like Twitter. Say Joe. It's the champagne pouring, big joint blowing, Bombay sipping, no more smoking, bad bitch dead. Thick and she got some friends with her. I take 'em out, pour shots of liquor, drinking out the bottle, smiling at all the pictures. The marijuana house and the house follow like Twitter. Nigga, you know everything Taylor. Don't rush to the bar, fool, if you ain't got no paper. That's the rules. High as fuck, smiling drunk when I'm passing through. Rolling doobies up, your homie passing too. Hit the club, spend this money up, roll another one, drink act a fool. That's what I have to do. Champagne all night, I've been playing another day. Yeah, man, homie, I'm on a level.
So I wanted to be different. A lot of people run bars, run sundowns.
Yep.
Doing an all Orion build.
Yes, ma'am.
Kind of puts a name out there.
Mm-hmm.
To be a little bit different, but like I said, 3K just I don't think is going to be enough for the 215s, but once we put maybe an 8K on it,
A little more power, it'll burp at 50. Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
I mean my voltage, I'm still hanging on at 14.3.
Yeah.
So I think my highest, depending, is about 15.3 is the highest that my voltage has been.
Awesome.
But
All right.
this is my build.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
No problem.
Nice to meet you, Black
as well.
Betty's build. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
You too.
How big is your lift?
I'm on a 7.5-inch lift.
Okay.
Like 2-inch spacers in the rear.
Okay.
Just because the sub box and everything weighed it down, and it had that squat. And I was like, I can't do this.
Say Joe. It's the champagne
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.